Another fantastic Land Rover Discovery. Brand new model, 2022 model. So new interior, new external sections, new lights, 300 brake horsepower, R-Dynamic SE. The colour's called Portofino Blue, stunning colour. It's got the 21-inch wheels, it's got the factory black packs, side steps, privacy glass, black roof rails, glass roof, but it's a new car. So you've got these beautiful new lights, new engine, the 300 brake horsepower, stunning new grille, black badging, and with it being the R-Dynamic, all the sections of the body kit are all done in black. So you've got the Portofino Blue colour, the black inserts which runs around the arches, 21-inch gloss black wheels, and then you've got, I just think these new lights are beautiful, just transform the look of the car. 300 horsepower, like I said, so the car drives fantastic. 7 full-size seats, and you can see when we move around the back as well, the new sweeping LED indicators, and then this new running light. R-Dynamic bumpers, so you get the extra section here, just to make it look that little bit more chunky, if you like. D300, so it's the 300 horsepower. And then inside, so with it being an SE, it's all keyless. Delivery miles, I think the car's done 20 miles. Meridian sound system, memory seats. This car's got full black leather with a white stitching. You've got that stunning new interior with this 12.3-inch centre console, which I think is my favourite part. I think they've done a fantastic job. So you've got this new massive screen in the middle. You've got the new push and pull climate control to work all your heated seats. You've got the new camera system, which is just phenomenal. Top view, side view, surround cameras. Like I said, glass sliding roof. These are massive extras on cars that cost so much money. This car's £65,990. It's priced to sell. You've then got all your other things, cruise control, front and rear heated screens, all your different new charging points which are throughout, so you've got charging points here. It's also got keyless charging as well, which was another added option. And let me show you the back as well, because another thing I've just noticed, you can see the little yellow light there, so you've got your blind spot assist. You've then got the privacy glass on the back, and then again you've got the new design, so you get these extra charging points and things built into the back seats. And then obviously this car is it's a 7-seater, but if you can just, if the camera can come and just show you, obviously the 2-seats are up there, but they're so much more bigger than on the previous model. And then when we move around the back, obviously you've got your electric, you've got our electric tailgate. And then you've got these extra 2 seats. You can put them down and just have a huge loading space. But again, beautiful car, stunning spec, price to sell $65,990. 3 years warranty, 3 years Land Rover Assist, beautiful colour. And I think when it's got the black wheels and the R-Dynamic styling, it just looks really well. It's hitting the website now. We had 2 of these last week, both sold. This one's just going live now. Give me a call.